Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to ping enemies and location in Marvel Rivals. So let's say for instance, if you want to ping a certain enemy in Marvel Rivals, all you need to do is simply press the middle button on your mouse if you're on PC, and that will you'll see an icon appear on top of that particular enemy. So if you want to ping an enemy, simply press the middle button on your mouse to ping that particular enemy. So if you're in console, simply press the down button in the directional pad, and that will ping that particular enemy. Or if you want to ping a location, let's say for instance, if you want to ping that position there, you can just ping it, and then you can see a prompt. If you want to cancel it, you can simply press the middle button. So if additionally, you can simply press and hold the ping button, and it will reveal this menu. So you can either direct your team to attack there. You can tell your team about your ultimate status. You can tell them to retreat, or you can request some healing if you're on a team. So that's basically it. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.
What a disgrace.